So over here you can see the Gantt chart, and you can see the start date over here and the finish dates and the duration, right? And what the Gantt chart shows over here is that all the tasks start at one day, and this doesn't happen in a project, right? The tasks happen in a certain sequence. For example, first you do the mobilization, and after that only you do the surveying and layout. You don't do the mobilization and surveying and layout at the same time. You have to first finish the mobilization, right? So it means that you have to set the relationship between these tasks over here. So that you do with the help of this column that is written predecessors. So if you do not find any column over here, so like this, you can see other column like resource name also. So if you do not see any column, then what you have to do is that you have to go over here and click on this option, and from here you can add any column that you want. Let's say that you don't have this predecessors column and you want it. You just go over here and press P, and you will find predecessors over here, and you just select it. Right now we have it, and I will not select it. So I'll just delete this resource name. You can just right click on it and click on hide column, and also peak hide column. I'll just use predecessors over here. So I'll just shift it like this. Okay. So predecessors, this column will help you to form the relationship between the tasks. So before going into this project, let us see what are the major relationship between the tasks project management.